Hi. Today I'd like to talk about the Reports tab in Rating Captain app. I will show you how to create both a single report and a recurring report. When you enter a single report, you have the option to choose between two types of reports. You can choose a general report on a single profile or a report that shows the keywords tracked and indicates their positions. You have the option to select the profile you are most interested in and to specify the type of report you would like to generate. Here you decide whether you want the report to include the Rating Captain logo or whether you prefer the white label option. If you choose such, the report could include your agency's logo. You can add it in Accounts and Permissions tab. This is a great option if you don't want to show what kind of tool you're using to boost your client's visibility. You can select a specific time period and then you can generate a target report. When you return to the Reports tab, you can also create a recurring report. For this type of report, you will have the opportunity to generate a general report as well as a report on keywords and their positions. In addition, you can get a daily report of new reviews on selected profiles and a weekly report summarizing your responses to reviews generated by the AI auto replay feature sent via email. Taking the next step, I have the opportunity to select the profile I am most interested in. Various options are available, such as the type of report, where I can decide whether it should be default or white label. Then you have the option to set the time at which the report will be sent, while the sending date is automatically set to the 7th of each month, covering whole data from the entire previous month. You can also add recipients to whom you want to send the report. These can be, for example, your colleagues, customers, or other interested parties. I can easily add multiple email addresses by separating them with commas or by typing them sequentially. Once you have completed all the steps, you can generate a recurring report that will be added to your account in the Reports section,